to generate GIF using AI on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can generate GIF using AI on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open Picsart application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into it. On the home page, scroll down until you see AI tools. Here, swipe left and find AI GIF generator. Click on it. You will be directed to this page. Here, you will have to describe your GIF with a prompt. Click on the box and write a prompt for your GIF. After writing the prompt, below you will see some customization setting. Customize it as per your preference. You can select styles, quality, color, art, and mood. After selecting and making all the customization, click on the Generate GIF option below. Wait patiently until the GIF generates, and there you will be given to choose among 4 styles. After a while, you will see your GIF has been successfully generated by AI on Picsart. So in this way, you can generate GIF on Picsart by using AI. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.